Why did I start this channel? Why am I here? What do I have to offer to you? What story am I telling? Hi guys, welcome. My name is Ogadima and this is my YouTube channel. It's the first time I'm making a video on this channel, and I hope that you get introduced into what I'm doing, into what I will be doing here on this channel. I'm currently a master's student in the United Kingdom. This channel is going to be about my personal life, my personal experiences and struggles, while pursuing my education, while pursuing my professional improvement, academic improvement. Everyone who sees my videos will be enriched spiritually, psychologically, academically, professionally, and otherwise. I'll be teaching and giving tips for various methods that have worked for me in terms of academic life, scholarship, professional development, and everything in between. It may interest you to know that I am a 4-time scholarship awardee in 4 different universities and in 2 continents. So I have a lot that I've learned and I am still learning. I have a lot still that I want to show you guys. Studying in the United Kingdom, studying in Germany, studying in the US, specialized development tips for writing academic essays as well as writing award-winning scholarship essays. I intend to share my personal tips, how I went from there to here, how I went from struggling writing these essays, writing this content, and then winning these scholarships. Most people have waiting periods, others do not, but during your waiting phase, during the time when you are struggling to get something, you're struggling to get a job, struggling to get an admission into a university or a scholarship, I want you to know that you are not alone. You're not the only one struggling to get those things. And if you look at another person and you get jealous, or you feel like, oh, she's getting it, he's getting it, and I am not, then you're wasting your time. The best thing to do is to keep developing yourself and keep progressing, and then one day you will get that thing which you are looking for. This channel is going to help you to do that. If you have any questions or you have comments on the kind of videos that you think you would like me to post from now on, I would like you to leave a comment down below. I hope that you enjoy this channel and I hope that you come here some other time. Thank you so much once again. Bye.